signed up to be an affiliate with a house of books, and I can't wait to show you what I ordered from them. And so what's in front of me here is a collage kit in a bag, and it comes with collage prompts and a bunch of materials in here. So let's just take a peek. This is a double pocket. So let me move everything else out of the way that we got. All right, so we can take a look. So it comes with the journal. And then we have in this front pocket, I love the color of this bag as well. Kind of matches what we have going on here. Okay, so collage prompts, and it gives you, I mean, you could, use these. So cut an image in half, paste, contrast image on the other side. So it's giving you ideas. And like to make hair, could you use flowers to make hair? So play on words. So this is, if you're stuck, this is a great little handy tool for, how to create. And so this is from a house of books, and that came in the collage kit. And then I believe it's called the journal kit. I will put the name and the links down below. But then I got this journal, and I would say the paper is pretty thin. So if you really wanted to do some wet media in here, you would want to glue your pages together. You might even want to go 3 pages thick. But it is a really pretty piece, soft, flexible, and foiled on this side. Wow. Okay, so we are showing off which is the front and the back by using the foil. Now, of course, you can collage right on the top as well. And then I have a pack of ephemera that came with it. Apologize for the crinkling. And let's see what all we got in here. And so this would be a really fun, just sit down and craft with these materials. You don't have to do anything else. I mean, you could just create with all of these. And the colors seem to coordinate well. We've got blues and tans and so forth in here. Lots of little pieces of cardstock in solids, which would be nice for making journaling sections or for putting photographs on top of. So that's an embossed piece. We've got some lined paper, not cut square, but we could straighten that out. Got some embossed metallic, little paper lace. Oh, we've even got some pattern. So these are all pretty generic, pretty blank. And they all came in the journaling kit. Right, in this bag. Here's the tag. This is the Collage Inspiration, a kit that includes everything you need to get started. So that was all in one. And then I got a collage pack. I'm seeing some similarities here from the pack over there. And since I opened that one, you know what's going to be in here. It says this is a coordinated collage pack. So it looks like we've got neutrals in here with blacks and golds and grays. And so it says it's hand-picked and coordinated papers to give you everything you need to create a cohesive collage. So there's that package, separate from the others. And then I ordered a package of vintage lace. It's 10 assorted pieces. Once again, I'm going to open this, so I apologize for the crinkling. And let's just look at the lace patterns. Now, you're going to probably get a different pack because, everything is going to be different. Most things are vintage. And so, yeah, we've got this pink piece. It's a decent size. This is quite a large piece here. And I can tell you that some of these are aged because some of them have a little grandma smell to them. Not in a bad way. Not at all. You can just tell that they're vintage. That one has roses. These are some nice pieces. Now this one I could see cutting it in even further down into strips. said it had 10 pieces. This one looks like it was a curtain at one time. Ooh, I got some red lace here. That's pretty. And we're still going. I didn't count. I don't know if you did. There's some zigzag. I got a doily. I would probably wet that and pin it down so it became the right shape again, because pretty sure this is round, not oval. But yeah, I could pin that and let it dry in the right shape. And then I don't know if you've seen this or not. And that's a lot softer than some of the other ones. So that was the package of lace. And then I got a package of bits and bobs. So I ordered a variety to kind of get a sense of what all the different things were. And I apologize for the ink stain on my hand. So this is bits and bobs, and it includes 50 assorted items, perfect for journaling. So you can get a sense of what all is in there. It looks like beads, paper clip, or not a paper clip, I'm sorry, safety pin. Looks like a slide piece. I'm guessing this is a game piece. Probably has a letter on the other side. Buttons, flat back buttons. Looks like it's got a little plastic ship in there. And then I must have some papers or some stickers. So there's a picture. It's going to be a pain in the butt to get back in the bag. But yeah, let's just pour it out and see what all is in here. All right, got little pieces flying all over the place. Okay, so puzzle pieces. Little flower, sticker, bunch of little embroidery or pieces cut off of ribbons, flowers. I got a tag. Looks like a sticker tag. These all look like stickers. This is even a sticker, and it's a pocket. This is a clear, yeah, acetate pocket. Buttons, tickets, the best is yet to come. Die cut, little tag, Monopoly money, die cut from a book. Language card. I'm not sure what the language is though. Maybe German. A little brad, that's a heart. Playing cards. Hole punch reinforcer, another playing card. Die cut. This almost feels wood. I'm not sure about that. And then some pieces here that look aged. I'm not sure if they are or if they're reproductions. They do have some reproductions, so I will say that. Oh, and this is a card. So that's all my little bits and pieces that came in that Bits and Bobs pack. And then they sent me professional watercolor from Medan. And so I've got a tube, and is this a half or a full? I'm not sure which size this is, but then there's the little block for it to go into. So I got these. I know I didn't order them, but they do kind of coordinate with some of the things that we got. So I'll have to give these a try as well. And I like that it says here that tells you the color number. It says it's light, fastness, transparency. This is opaque. This one is translucent. And both of them are pigments. So it looks like my vermilion is more transparent than the yellow ochre. So, yeah, thanks to House of Books for all of these items, and I can't wait to craft with them. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. I will put links down below and names to the actual products that I just unboxed and shared with you. So, I hope you will follow those links and find some goodies for yourself to craft with.